I was completely blown when you told me about essential oils last year, and it was a new world for me. I've been in this space for 17 years, practicing with different modalities of healing and supplements and a lot of things. But when you spoke about the power of essential oils to heal, I was so intrigued and I started trying it for myself and I loved it. And I remember you telling me that essential oils go right into your cells.
Yes.
So I want you to throw a little light on that. How do they work with your cellular health? Also, how do they work topically and how do they work through your olfactory system? So I need you to break it down for us.
Sure. So like I mentioned, there's 3 ways to use oils. So we'll start with aromatically first, because I think that's the easiest way for people to understand oils. A lot of people have a diffuser in their home. It's really important, first of all, not to use heat with essential oils because that kills off the therapeutic properties.
So not the candles and the...
That's a double whammy because you're burning a candle, which is a no-no, because then it's releasing carbon dioxide into the home and you're breathing in toxins. And generally, we will close up the room as well. So then there's no fresh air coming in. So please, no candles in the home. We can talk about that another time, perhaps. No toxins. And aromatically, you want to make sure that there's no heat with the oil so that you're not destroying the therapeutic properties. So aromatically, you will breathe in the oil and very quickly the oil will hit your limbic system in your brain where a lot of memories are housed, a lot of emotions are housed. So then what happens, there's a chemical reaction that takes place and you may downregulate emotions, you may upregulate the mood. So essential oils act very quickly aromatically. So you may be sitting in an Uber going down to Fort, it's a long journey, and on the bumpy road, and you just feel a little bit of motion sickness in the car, you could put a drop on your hand.
Which one? I have motion sickness. You have to tell me which oil.
Okay, I would say let's use an oil called DigestZen.
Right.
Because this is a combination of oils, great for the digestion, calms the digestive tract down, but mainly calms the stomach lining down. And that's where you get that kind of motion sickness.
Yeah.
So a drop in the hand, rub your hands together, cup your hands over your nose and mouth like this, and then just breathe in. And you probably breathe in about 5 or 10 different breaths just to slow your breath down. The first thing you may notice is that maybe that's the first time all day that you've connected with your breath. And that just starts to slow you down, slows your breathing down, connects with your parasympathetic nervous system. But the chemical reaction that happens in your body helps to do all sorts of things. Now, I mentioned that the oil goes into your cells and into your blood. What actually happens is that when you breathe in the essential oils, that then goes into your lungs. Your ventricle pumps through your lungs and then takes fresh blood through your lungs and takes those particles into your blood system. And then what happens, you've got tiny little molecules of essential oil floating through your blood. If this is a cell inside your body, around the cell there's a fatty membrane.
Yes.
And there's also little receptors.
Yes.
So as the essential oil goes through the blood system, the receptors of the cell will pick up the essential oil molecules. The molecules are so tiny, but they're also fat and soluble. And so they actually absorb through the blood-brain barrier of the cell and goes inside the cell. And that's how we can regulate the cell. We can work on the DNA, we can work on the mitochondria inside the cell.
Do they also enter the cells if the receptors are not really working because of insulin resistance or inflammation?
Yeah, they absolutely do.
They do.
Because there's a fatty membrane around the cell. Essential oil is an oil, it'll permeate through. And this is one of the great things. If you go to the doctor and you have a bacterial infection, bacteria sits on the outside of the cell. The doctor will normally give you an antibiotic. If you have a virus, the doctor will say go home and rest because the virus is inside the cell. Modern medicine molecules are too large to enter inside the cell. But essential oils, tiny microscopic particles, will come inside the cell. Essential oils are broken into many different categories, and one of the categories is restorative. So they can help to restore the health of the cell.